If you need to automate your outbound call campaigns while still following a personalized approach, the Preview Dialer is a tool that will help you do so. The name Preview Dialer speaks for itself. The agent can view the client's information before the call is made, which allows them to prepare for the conversation, making it ideal for a sales team who needs to personalize their pitch, increasing the chances of a successful sale. Now let's look at how it works. When an agent receives a call request initiated by the dialer, they are given preview time to review the contact's details. If the agent chooses to accept the request, the system then starts the call and the conversation begins. Once the call ends, the agent then has some wrap-up time for any after-call activities before receiving another call request within the campaign. If the agent for some reason decides to decline the call request, the system then redirects it to another available agent. Every parameter of this process can be customized in the dialer settings. In MightyCall, you can set up the preview time, time to prepare for the call, wrap-up time, time spent on after-call tasks, max ring time, this is how long the system rings the contact, default retry period, when the contact will be dialed again, and max attempts per number, which is the total number of calls allowed per each contact's number. You can customize all these settings depending on your campaign's goals to make sure your call center is performing at its absolute best. On top of this, you get to set up system dispositions. In other words, what happens in case of these call outcomes that are independent of agents. And then agent dispositions are the call outcomes available to the agents after a conversation with the contact. You can include the default options or customize them specifically for the campaign's goals. Thanks to agent dispositions, you'll be able to get a breakdown of the campaign call outcomes and its overall performance. One more MightyCall highlight is the National DNC List Scrubber, a tool that cleans your contact lists from the phone numbers included in the National Do Not Call Registry, ensuring you comply with the FCC and FTC regulations and avoid any potential fines. Additionally, you can upload your internal Do Not Call list, making sure you don't initiate any unwanted calls by accident. Now you know all the specifics about the preview mode, so if your goal is to provide a customized approach in your outbound call campaigns and you have at least one agent, the Preview Dialer is the right tool to use. If you want to learn how the preview mode differs from other types of dialers, such as progressive and predictive, check out this video here.